Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. In today's video, I'm creating this sultry fall look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So if you haven't been following me, I have a mini series going on here on my channel. This is the second part of that series. I'm utilizing all of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes, and I'm going to be creating fall looks or any look that you guys suggest in the comment section below. The first video, I'll have it linked up here in the cards. I also did a high-end eyeshadow palette collection here on my channel recently. If you haven't checked that out, then I'll link that in the cards as well. So yeah, if you're new to my channel and you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Also, everyone, please hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. And without further ado, if you want to see how I created this matte look, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette today. I'm going to be creating a look. I am so ready for fall. I don't know who else is, but I'm just ready for the fall colors, the fall makeup looks, scarves, boots, everything, like everything. So I've already done my brows. My face is already moisturized. I use my Kiehl's Ultra Face Moisturizer. And I'm going to be using some new products that I haven't tried before. Well, they're new to me. I haven't tried them before, you guys. So bear with me on that. We're going to go in with, I've used this one before. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Looks like this. And I'm just going to put a little bit near my smile lines. And right here. Around my nose area. I'm not sure how this foundation that I'm going to try today is going to last throughout the day. So yeah, that's why I'm doing that. So I'm going to go in with this Hourglass Vanish foundation stick. I have it in the shade Golden Tan, and it looks like this. And I've heard so many things about this, you guys. It's crazy. But this is what it looks like when you roll the product up. So I just want to try it and see what we working with. Off the bat is definitely like, this is a satin finish and it should be lightweight. So if you have dry skin, then you could definitely get away with doing a satin finish foundation stick. But Hourglass, most of their makeup is for all skin types, so I'll probably put a lot, but that's that. And I'm going to do one side with a foundation brush and the other side with a sponge. Going in with my Pro Core Diffuser Sephora brush number 94. You guys know this has been like my favorite brush when it comes to brushes. Not bad with the brush side. Now we're going to go in with the sponge on the other side, and my sponge is damp. I think I like the sponge side. Let me see. Yeah, the sponge side kind of glows a bit more, so I'm just going to pat that in so that it looks even on the whole side. But off the first reaction, it is very lightweight on the skin. It is very creamy. And it glides on smooth. And you guys know I usually do my eyes first, but I want to do the base first just so that I can see how this foundation is going to wear. But yeah, so that is that. I'm going to go in with a new concealer. This is the Josie Marian Vibrancy Argan Oil Full Coverage Concealer. And I have it in the shade Medium. And the packaging looks like this. I like the doe foot. Very flexible. This is super creamy. This is just my first reaction off of, you know, first hand. Creamy off the initial thought. Let's see how it's gonna act with this foundation. But the Josie Marian concealer, you're supposed to be able to you shouldn't have to like dip it back in there according to the Josie Marian site or whatever. One side is for one eye and you flip the applicator over and the other side is for the other eye. I am going to set it with my Beauty Bakery. Now, we all know that sometimes some products don't mesh and gel well together, but you won't know until you try. So I'm going to use my everyday powder that I normally will go to, which is the Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter Flower Powder in the shade Yellow. You guys know I've been using this a lot lately here on my channel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that under the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with my Dark Deepest Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. You guys know I love this stuff. It is amazing. You guys should let me know some other bronzers you think I should try, because I swear by this one. I'm gonna go in first with Orange Soda and put that all over my lid. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Burnt Orange and place that on the crease as well. Going in with the same brush, I'm using my MAC 224 brush. I'm gonna take a more structured brush, not so fluffy. This is the MAC 217 brush. Don't mind my brushes. I need to clean my brushes. It's really embarrassing. But I'm gonna go into Sienna, which is this darker shade here, and I'm gonna place that in the crease as well. I really like this palette. It's definitely a palette you need in your everyday. It's like every day you can create fall looks, you can create everyday looks. Like, this is probably my favorite palette out of all of the Anastasia ones. And now I'm gonna go into Mulberry, and I'm gonna place that on the back half of my eye, which is the outer V. On the front of the eye, I think I'm gonna go in with Dusty Rose. I'm gonna see what that looks like on the front of the eye. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this black shade. It is called Noir. And I'm gonna take a really thin brush because I already did my base, and I know that these shadows in the Anastasia palette does have a bit of fallout. I don't want to mess up my eye, my face. I don't want to mess it up. So look, it's gonna be so simple and so easy. So that's basically the eyes. I'm now gonna put some mascara on so that we can put falsies. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora collection falsies. These are in Crush 06 and they look like this. I'm gonna go ahead and put my falsies on, and then I'll be right back to finish up the rest of the face. Alright, so lashes are on. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the glow. The glow one, I love this stuff. I'm gonna go on my bottom lash line with those same type colors, but mainly I'm gonna go in with Mulberry and a little bit of the Noir, just because I want to just smoke out the bottom lash line. On in my inner corner, I'm gonna go into Listening, which is this top gold one here, and we're gonna spray that with my Fix Plus. Going in with the Desert Rose Luminous Silk Compact Blusher by the brand Naught. I'm gonna go in with this blush today, just so it can mimic a little bit of the orange from the transition shade. And I really like this blush. It's like, I feel like it can go with any skin tone. And a little goes a long way. I'm just obsessed with blush, so I'll be extra with mine. For my lips, let's see. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Naughty by Nature. I don't know if I want to go in with this. And for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the NARS Orgasm Loose Powder. I'm going to use that today. I love highlighters that are loose powder. I feel like they go on a lot smoother into the skin. is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was like pretty quiet. I was really focused on trying to do this matte look. And let me know down below if you guys are enjoying the Anastasia Beverly Hills series that I have here, a little mini series here on my channel. Let me know down below what you guys think of this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.